lot more to get the Sprague Award than the Paul Harris Award because of who Dr. Sprague was and how much this community owes him and how much he loved Dallas.
Well, clearly it starts with a remarkably enlightened view. Enlightened also a broad view.
What's called entrepreneurial philanthropy really epitomizes what Hoblitzelle stood for and what his foundation stands for. That you're not just giving money for money to be spent, no matter what a worthwhile cause it may be, but it's giving money as an investment so that it can multiply many times over in its effect.
That's why the foundation continues to invest in capital opportunities by providing them with the setting where they can heal or preserve or educate or comfort or enrich.
And I think that it's been a real privilege for our department to be able to pursue audacious ideas and to have the opportunity to really make a difference through the generosity of the Dallas community, and in this particular example, the Hoblitzelle Foundation.
So then we can really understand what goes on in terms of brain connectivity, brain dynamics as people age, or what happens with mild cognitive impairment or Alzheimer's disease, or perhaps we can identify brain signatures earlier on that are indicative of these disease processes that then interventions can be designed around these.
There is no grantee or candidate for grants that has a higher priority with the Hoblitzelle Foundation Board and the foundation itself than Southwestern Medical Foundation and Southwestern Medical School.
The board of Hoblitzelle Foundation today, you think it's extraordinary at the beginning, and it continues to be extraordinary all the way through by the community-minded people who still revere a legacy like that and still know what the elements of great city building look like.
We have an important role, I think, to play in the community to help programs that need to get going, go, and to help programs that are already going, go better. And we have a great set of trustees that help define that.
I think that foundations of this type are most useful when they serve to telescope time.
Thus, a foundation may bring or help bring into being a project or a program of great promise and worth,
which might well fail or be long deferred because of lack of financial support from other sources.
I think this approach offers greater opportunities to the foundation to be useful than the making of
contributions or recurring gifts to programs which have already been activated.
Lean forward and be most sympathetic to those programs which in general involve discovery,
transmission, and extension of facts, thoughts, ideals, and ideas.
Which are good and true in an effort to make this a better world in which to live.
Well, that's it. I mean, I just think he was rather amazing, and I guess talk is cheap, but that's the way he did it. It wasn't just words.